Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to replace full-time hub on an 86 Dodge W150, probably the same for the 250s, with a lockout from Warren. So, what you're going to do, first things first, take off this dust cap. Just take a screwdriver and real careful, just pry the thing off. It pops right off. Once you're inside there, you're going to have a snap ring that sits right on there. I already pulled it out. It's okay, you can discard it. The Warren kit comes with a new one. After that, your hub assembly is now free in a way. You can reach in here, pull out your full-time hub. Let's see the one from the other side. Pull out your full-time hub. And I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Inside there you can see your spindle nut, your bearing spacer, all that shit. Done that. Take a shitty little grease gun, put a couple of dabs. The Warren lubricant, or the Warren unit is like pre-lubed, so you don't have to worry about that. So then you're going to take your lockout hub assembly here, and it just fits right inside here. Before you do that though, I'd recommend, I took a needle nose pliers, and this little groove right here on the inside, this little groove right there is going to be for the for that C-clip right there, and that just locks the body in. But you take your lockout hub here, line it up, push it in, fully seated, and then once that's done, what I found is easy is you take a big screwdriver, and I have all my shit away now, but big screwdriver, you go up underneath your front axle, you take that screwdriver, just pop it in here, push the axle out as far as you can, take the screwdriver, make sure it's in there, and then leave it there. That'll keep the axle fully extended out of the diff there. Since that's done there, what you can see here is the secondary focus. There's a secondary snap ring groove right here. Come on. Anyways, there's a secondary snap ring groove right there. You'll see it when you pull it off, or when you pull the other part off. What you're going to do with that is you'll go into your new lockout unit. The other way to tell is if the snap ring is, or if you're getting all the way, is this groove in here. If you can get your if you can see all the way in there. So come here, take your new housing retaining C-clip, slip it in one corner, walk it around, snap it in place. You see that? Man, this thing can't focus, but you get your snap ring in there, and then to make it easier, you'd use a snap ring pliers, but I don't have one. So, yep, you take your new bag here, all your new screws, take your snap ring, put your snap ring on there, Then once that's done, it says you're supposed to check tolerance. Just put a screw in, make sure there's just a little bit of walk. You don't want it to be too tight. And then you put your snap ring on. Take your outside, and then you line these dimples up at those holes. Slip it on, and that's it. Tighten it up. You're good to go. So, hope the video helped. Leave a like if it did, and I'll see you guys in the next one.